Good morning, children. I'm Kusum. I'm back with your English language lesson of class 5. Hope you all are fine and doing well. Children, these are the two pictures in front of you all on the screen. I request you all to observe these two pictures carefully and try to identify different things that is shown in this picture. Okay, children? Now, can you tell me few things that you can see here in these two pictures? Children doing different activity at different places. Okay, some are playing in the garden, few are crossing road. Okay, from zebra crossing, duck enjoying swimming in the pond, buildings, trees, road, fruits on the trees, street light, hay, swings, different swings in the park, house, car, flowers in the park or in the garden, cow near the pond, clouds in the sky, truck loaded with fruits, traffic light, pond, fence around the park, bicycle. So, these are the different things that we can see in the given pictures. Okay, children. So, these are the names of different things that we can see in the picture. Yes, or we can say these are the words that we use to identify someone or something. So children, in this world around us, everything is having name. Either it's living being, living thing, or it's non-living things. Everything is having name, or we can say their identity. Name is very important part of our life. Name is our identity. So it is very important to have names, whether we are living things or non-living things. And in this chapter, we are going to learn about these naming words. Do you know in grammar what we call these naming words? Yes, very good. We call it nouns. And in this chapter, we are going to learn in detail about nouns and their kinds. So, let's proceed with our chapter. Children, before I start with our lesson nouns, I will like to know that what is speech? Do you know what is speech? Speech is the ability, or we can say it is a way to express our thoughts and feelings in front of everybody by talking or by writing. And grammar is a subject where we learn about rules of speaking correct language. Okay, children. So, there are 8 speech in the grammar. We can say there are 8 part of speech in the English language. And one by one we will be learning about all these 8 speeches. Now see what are the different parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verbs, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, interjection. So children, these are the different part of speech of English language. Okay children, and we are going to start with noun. So children, as we all know that nouns are the words that tells us about someone or something. Or we can say these are the naming words that help us to identify different things around us. Yes children, so we can define noun as a naming word. Yes, so here is the definition of noun dear. Please read it with me. Noun is the name of a person, place, thing, animal, an idea, emotion and state of human being. Yes children, you are right. It is name of an idea also, emotion also, state of human being also. Children, name, place, thing. This is clear to everybody. You can tell me person's name. You can tell me name of any place. You can name anything. You can name animal also. But this is also right. It is a idea. It is emotion. It is state of human being. As earlier I told you children that in this world, anything in this world is having name. Is it clear? So emotion like sad. Sad is an emotion. Yes, when we feel low. And it is the name of emotion. Emotion which feels low. We call it sad. Yes children. And childhood, like you all are in which stage of life? Childhood. Yes children. So this is right to say it is a name of emotions, idea and state of human being. So here few examples of noun. Apple, flower, that is lotus, door, we all are familiar with door, yes? Good. Doctor, always help us when we are sick. Parrot, a beautiful creature of nature, a beautiful bird. Other than these, we can see lot of examples around us like fan, air conditioner, tube light, curtains, bed, mirror. Yes, children. So these are the different examples of noun. And we have divided noun into 5 categories. Okay, children. Or we can say there are 5 kinds of noun. Let's see. What are those? Nouns. Common nouns, proper nouns, collective nouns, material nouns, abstract nouns. So these are the different kinds of noun we are going to learn one by one. Okay children?